Hi.
Hi Tom, how are you?
I'm fine. What is it?
Nothing. The fight that happened yesterday, I hope you're okay.
Diya, just forget it. Let's leave it.
Do you have any other issue with them?
No. Forget it.
Okay.
When can we meet up?
Evening?
Evening. Okay. Then we'll meet in the evening.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure,
All right.
fine.
Bye.
Bye.
This is Goa special, man. Oh, you get it from there? Yeah.
Super! It is nice!
Guys,
What happened to the head?
nothing it is.
Nothing, is it?
No, man.
Dude, eat it!
Take
It's an
it.
amazing cake, man! We bought it while coming from the trip.
Oh, is it?
It's good.
Awesome!
Just right, man.
I'll go wash my hands. Okay.
Before you come, we'll finish it off.
Come aside, man. Hey,
Who are these people? They look new to me. Hey, I don't know. Might be some team fellows. What they're doing here?
bro, do you know about Edgar?
Huh?
They are his people.
Why they have come over here?
There might be some problem in their vehicle.
Then why so many people should come over here?
You don't have to worry about it. You eat cake. Get me that Coke. Forget about it. Let's focus on the work.
Yeah. Come, let's eat.
Enjoy.
Any problem,
Eat
we'll
it.
see.
Yes, mom.
The call you have dialed is busy. Please call later.
Big.
Tom calling. Is it?
The call you have dialed is busy. Please call later.
Again? I'll cut it.
What is this? Eh?
Can you cut the call? I wanna play.
Hi, Diya.
Hi. I saw Jerry when I was passing by. I thought I'll just come and visit.
Mom, this is Diya, my friend.
Oh, we know each other.
Oh, you already know her. Diya, have you seen their house?
I showed her.
My room.
I showed it as well.
He only took her.
Tom, what you will drink? Milk or Boost?
For me, Boost is enough.
What did they tell?
Hey, nothing it is. Diya, where's your car?
It's at home. I'm scared to take it out.
Why? Don't have to fear. I'm here, right?
Boost got over. It's just a milk. Have it. Have you finished your graduation?
MBA.
Are you not going for the job?
I have not got my certificates yet, but I have to look for a job.
MBA is okay. He's done BTech. What's the use? He's working in a workshop.
Mummy, I'm a automobile engineering consultant.
Huh, whatever.
Auntie, I'll leave.
You wanna leave?
Getting late. I'll come again.
Keep in touch.
Dia, how did you come?
By auto. I'll leave.
No, I'll drop you till the junction. Mom, I'll...
Okay, dear.
Let's leave. Oh, my phone is with Jerry.
1 minute, I'll get it back. Hey, Jerry,
No,
give that phone,
no,
man.
No, I'll not give. No.
iPhone.
Yay! I won. Take it. Thanks.
Thank you. So sweet.
What's your problem, man? He's a kid, right?
No, he's so cute.
Yeah.
Tom,
Huh?
go and come.
Dia, you said you have come to see someone. Who is it?
Huh? The neighboring road.
Oh, that side. Okay. That side. Okay. Come.
Oh, he's over here. Mad fellow. Wait, I'm coming. You're here only? 1 minute, you come here. Come here.
1 minute.
Come man, why didn't you pick the call?
I have them.
How many times I should call? Come here. If you have 6 packs, you'll beat everyone.
What is it, man?
Stop acting now, okay? Why did you beat them, man?
He's the one who started it. That's why I did it. What now?
Hey Tom, you know whom you have beaten? Edgar's man.
Who is Edgar?
Oh my god, he doesn't know Edgar.
He's a psycho, man. He's a gangster.
You know what is the problem now? They know the vehicle. Keeping the vehicle number, they are searching for you. Color, model, vehicle's number. What to do?
It's better we hide the vehicle.
Oh, it is superb idea.
Hey, why should we change our vehicle?
Hey, if they find out the vehicle, it's a problem for her only, not for you.
Bro, do you know what? He's actually searching all the cars.
Yes. Then for some days, let the vehicle be in Stephen's garage.
Oh, awesome idea, man.
Thank you, man.
Nice thinking.
Thanks.
You come here.
What happened, Tom?
That is...
I'll tell her. My friend is having one workshop.
Oh.
Your vehicle is in complaint right now, right? We will repair it over there.
no problem, right?
He'll do nice work.
What else?
Dia, you just get the vehicle's key. We can't come inside.
Why not? Come. You're coming first time, no?
We already came to the gate, right?
Keep quiet, man.
No, that is not a big deal. We don't have time. We have to go there. Hey, dude. Till how long Stephen is going to be there?
He'll be there till 10, isn't it?
Yes, he'll be here till 10 o'clock.
Then you have so much time, no? Come in. 5 minutes. You can meet my dad and go.
Is this a temple? There's so many idols over here.
Shut up.
It's a joke, man.
Please sit down.
Look at that. There's one more idol.
Dad?
Dad is coming.
This is Tom.
Hi.
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 I'll go get tea.
Okay.
Take a seat.
Thank you,
sir. Is he the dad? There's a lot of mismatching. His and her look.
That's because mother is somebody else.
Oh, interracial.
What is it?
Hey, that is intercasting.
That is what. It got locked.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing.
We were talking about the meeting. That's all.
Oh, Dia has actually informed me about Tom. And you are? Uncle, I'm Tony. This is Capra.
DiCaprio.
So, what brings you here?
Uncle, nothing. We have come here to take Dia's vehicle for repair.
Thank you for coming. If not, she would have definitely damaged the vehicle more.
What is it?
Then... It is actually not her vehicle. It's mine.
So uncle is the one who took it to Bangalore and modified very well.
Then what is it?
Then you must be crazy for cars, right?
Instead of cars, it is actually traveling.
Oh.
I was a vagabond. Oh, vagabond!
Even I know.
I know, it's very chilling.
It's very chilling.
Vagabond. The one who likes traveling.
Oh.
Oh, trip! Superb! Even we are heavy trippers. We have gone to Goa too.
Yeah, we'll go together.
Get up.
Get out.
Come. Get up, man.
I heard it as get out. Should we go behind him? Walking. When do we reach there? Finally we reached.
See, in 75, Rajasthan.
Oh.
80, Kashmir. Then Dehradun. Oh, you started it. That is where, when I actually met Gudia.
Gudia? Who's that?
Shut up.
Dia's mother.
Oh, uncle seems to be romantic.
That is why he's a lawyer with no case.
Tom, this was my vehicle, but I had to sell it. Cheers. There's no problem with the vehicle, right?
no.
Performance wise, it's good.
Yeah.
But color isn't good, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the problem with the color? It's a nice color,
No, it's quite girly color.
isn't it?
Isn't it?
Is it?
Isn't it?
Yeah,
yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
yes, it is.
We can change the color for